Music was far from his mind, but 39 years ago, Pincher scored a breakthrough hit with Lift It Up Again, which was produced by Fatis Burrell. Let's get the backstory behind that chart-topping song in our FiWi Culture segment.
In 1987, you had a breakthrough hit, Lift It Up Again. What was the inspiration behind that song? How did that song come about?
That was based off some street slang, you know, because in that time there was a saying that rewind, all and pull up, and these things. And this is my way of saying the same thing, but in a different style. Lift it up again. Let me love you tonight, boy. One day them say, Pinchers, because I have my name before that. Get my name in our garage. You know. Pinchers, follow me, go down the street. A man advise me. I don't know my name, Vice. Still follow them, just being, you know, cooperative. Go in the studio, and the engineer was busy at the time mixing something. He was on the board. And me now hear the music start sing, as we say, singing on my thing. I always I sing. And they lean over and say, sing, youth. The engineer, you can't make a noise, you know. Come here, do something that disturb me. But you sound good. When I say it now, whisper tone to me. And ask me my name and where I come from, tell him, and him say, come check back, give me a time of checking back. You introduce me to somebody which is Fatis, which is a producer, because he's also a producer, but mainly an engineer. So he introduced me to Fatis, Philip Burrell, and Philip listened to me and say I have some work, so I'm going to go for some rhythm. Still not excited, because I don't know nothing about that. So but I know I can't hang it, because I already did it on a sound system. So we start work and Lift It Up Again, and all about the different songs, but Lift It Up Again are the song that, you know, did it. When the song start playing on radio now, and my friends them say, boy, hey, you that, whatever, you understand me? And oh, they start show me and tell me what I go on and don't play it and show and all them things. They start see it in a different light. You understand me? So I start buckle myself for them things.
Things change for you?
Things start change. Then when Lift Up Again start get the traction now, and you find that soundman start come look for me for the dub plate, because dub plate was the first thing start, and start come for me for the dub plate and stuff like that. So really, so because of the dub plates and the dance now, you find it's a show I go start.
Alright, Pree Dis family, that's it for this week's episode. We're signing out from Portmore. I'm Eddie, this is now the Addy, and we can't wait to see you guys again next week.